Okay, so quick video on what flats and sharps do. So, a sharp looks like a hashtag and it pushes the pitch of the note up just a little bit, but it goes up. A flat, which looks like a lowercase b, pushes the pitch down a tiny, tiny little bit. So if we go over to the other side, let's write a, how should we do? We'll do an A, okay? So there's an A on the treble clef, so all the high instruments. Now if we want to make this A just a little bit higher, then we can write the sharp before the note. Okay, so this is now what's called an A sharp. Okay, now let's find an A on our keyboard down here. So we know starting from in between the donkey ears, there's our D, and then we can count up the alphabet. D, E, F, G, A. So we've found our A. Now, we know that we're already going up in pitch by going to the right, and as we talked about before, the sharp makes the pitch of the note go up just a little bit more, okay? So here's our A, going right, which is up. We know that this note here is going to be our A sharp, because it's just a little bit to the right of our A, okay? And it's a black note. Let's do a flat. So how about let's do a B flat. Now I'm writing it on the middle line so the stick can either go up or down. I have the choice. Let's put the flat before the note, not on the right side, it goes before, on the left hand side. So we've turned this B into a B flat. So the pitch is going to be just a little bit lower. Now we know before that going up on the piano is to the right, so going lower to the pitch is going left. So our B flat, let's find a B on the keyboard. Let's start from our D, where we know, and we can count either way, I guess. Let's go forwards. It's easier to count forwards than the alphabet. D, E, F, G, A. Cool, there's our B. Now we're making it a B flat, which means we're going left. So our B flat is going to be this black note here, okay? So going left just a little bit, up to a black note. Here is our B flat. Now this is where it gets just a little bit tricky. Every time we've went up with a sharp, there's been a black note. So that's where our A sharp's been. Or down with our B, we've had a black note there to go to. But what happens if I have a C? Let's draw a C on the treble stave here. If I make this C a C flat, here's our C, and we're going to go left. Now hang on a tick, there's no black note here. What ends up happening is our C flat is actually this white note here. This white note here that would be B. So it can be B, or it can also be C flat. They are actually the same pitch, a different note, but the same pitch. So you can actually have two different names for the same note, a C flat or a B. Okay? Hope that makes things a little more clear for you.